Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to take the trunk assembly lens out of a '07 Mazda 6 sedan. And if you need any parts for your car, head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to open the trunk first, and this particular model has a electric button. Pops the trunk. To pull these clips down, I take a small screwdriver, flathead, and it's a centerpiece pops out, and you pull it down. Now, if you just wanted to change the bulbs in the assembly, you just need to pull that many down. But we're going to pull the whole liner down. And just repeat this process to all the clips all the way around. Disconnect the electrical connectors on both bulbs by pinching the tabs and pulling the harness down. Now I'm going to access my mounting bolts, 10mm socket. I'm going to pull the hood down so I can see better. Put my arm back there and see if I push the lens out. How it comes out. There's got to be some tabs in here. It seems to be, I think it's just here we go. See insulation, you can see it, the foam. It's really had it stuck to the hood, the trunk. So that would be the right rear. So to reinstall, you've got these little tabs here. So they got to ride on the bottom part of this trunk. So I'm going to try to line it up that way. There we go. Perfect. On the inside, I had a short one and a long one mounting. You can obviously see the shorter of the two would go to the stud right there. I'm not going to rank it down on it because I'm going to want to look at the trim of the lamp on the trunk before I completely tighten that. Okay, I would say let's lower the trunk and see if it lines up. No major gaps. That gap will be pulled down when I tighten it, but it's straight, it's not perfect angle, so I think I'm ready. Now let's reconnect our connectors. Running light, backup light. I'm going to hold the liner up and I'm going to just stop pushing the clips all the way around. These are those body clips. They've got the little fingers, so you have to squeeze those. Don't push the tab down yet. You want to squeeze line them up. Easier said than done. There we go. Get that one. Lock it in. Go to the opposite side so I don't have to hold it. Sometimes it takes two hands. There we go. Now I'm just going to repeat this procedure to all put the rest of the clips in. Last one. I'm ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.